Stop putting eye in another man's business. If you are married, stop disrespecting your husband. They in your marriage. Because what I meant is disrespecting your husband is that as a good wife, there is no how you'll be in your man's house as a good wife. Then you'll be there gossiping around. If you like, gossip my name. Joy doesn't care. So far you are not God, you can never be my problem. That is exactly what happened. Do you know why I said so? There is some people that another man's problem is their problem. Ihe na-akpagbu onye ọzọ na-abụrụkarị another people headache.